Let's create the memberships and add those memberships here so these tables actually work. So for that we will use a plugin that is AccessKit by WPKits. So this is the WPKits. It has so many plugins here you can see. So we will use its plugin AccessKit here. So we will purchase this because it has AccessKit plus Teams. Teams is an add-on that used to create sub accounts for a parent account. So let's go for it. So I just purchased these two plugins and downloaded them on my machine. Let's go and install and activate. And now in the sidebar you will see the option AccessKit, and here we have the Teams add-on. So let's go to the memberships and let's create the first membership. We'll go here, name it basic. Let's make it $30. One time is the lifetime access, so recurring is that will renew every after a certain interval, like let's do it month. This will be monthly. And here we have some more options, like we can go and we can use the trial period. Let's make it 7 days trial, and trial could be free or paid. For free you can just leave it and you can publish the membership, but for the paid you will select the paid and you will give it a price. Let's suppose 7 days trial for $10. And what renewal option. So there is an option that is a limitation for the other plugins in the market. We can say this is an AccessKit competitive advantage, that let's suppose someone registered on 20th of June, like today. So its renewal date will be 20th of July. Okay, the full month. But what we can do here, the default system is that the standard registration date will be, its renewal date will be the 20th of next month. But what we can do, we can use a custom fixed day of month, like let's suppose first of every month, like the membership is registered on 20th of June, but its renewal will be 1st of July, or you can do it 2nd, 3rd, or whatever the day you want, you can select from here. So let's make it 5th day of each month, that will be renewal date. So this is the option, and here is the membership is created. So this is all what we need to do. Let's see how the membership looks. Here you can see right now we are already login, so that's why it's not asking us for the username password, because it already has, we already has the username, first name, last name, password and email address. So we just need to click here and just click on registered, and our membership will be registered. But if a member is not registered right now, how it will look? This will be his membership account page, the registration page. Like he will add his first name, last name, username, then email address, password, confirm password, and then from here this will be his plan, and then he will check it and add it. Because right now we don't have any, we did not added any payment gateway, payment integration, so later we will do that as well. Right now I'm just giving you a walkthrough that how the membership is working. So, and this is the pay link that we will just copy and we will go to the home page. The basic membership is monthly membership, yes. So we will just click on it and we will add in the button. Here's the footer. We will add this link here. We will publish it, and here you can see on the front end we will just click and see incognito window, and here our membership flow is created. So this is basically the membership creation, but it's not that simple that you're looking right now. We just created the membership because when you are going to create a membership system for your client, then there will be some more complexities, the more options he will require from you. So for that you will need to need to set up it properly. So let me show you some more options. Here we installed an add-on that is Teams for the corporate membership. Like if I registered a membership but I have 3 to 4 my co-members, so I'll give them access as well from their from on their emails. So for that this corporate membership is used. Thus we will click on it, and the team account will be enabled. So by default it is 5. You can reduce or you can increase. Let's suppose we are offering 10 sub accounts for the parent account. So here are some options like the parent member can send an invitation link to the sub account member to whom he want to add, or he can create his own account on his behalf and just send him uh, details. So parent member can resell the account, like he can sell the sub accounts to his colleagues or friends for $10, $15 per month, or whatever he want to give him them access. And content delegation, the this is also another we can say competitive advantage of Teams add-on over the other plugins in the market. That other plugins offer sub accounts exactly same content that the parent account have, but AccessKit give option to the parent account that he can pick and choose the content what he want to give access to the sub members. So this is so we will check it and save it. So now our membership is created. Let's see how it looks. So this is the basic membership, $30 per month, 10 for $10, 7 days trial, and status is active. From here we can view edit, view, delete. So basically the membership is created, but it has a lot of more options. Like here here we can see, you can see that we have another option. Here you can see WooCommerce checkout system. So let's activate it, WooCommerce checkout system, and and I'll explain you how it will work. So let's open in incognito window. Here you can see, so now we are selling our membership. Why? WooCommerce. So we did not need to any long integration, and we have not installed any integration plugin. We just clicked from here, and it is converted into the WooCommerce checkout page. Uh, because AccessKit has its native integration with WooCommerce, and now we switched it back, and you will see the difference. This is the AccessKit registration page, and that was WooCommerce registration page. Now let me show you another magic of this AccessKit plugin. Here we will go WPKits dashboard and here AI assistant. So now we will click on create a ad. From here we will write create a membership yearly price $200 per year, 130 days trial for 20 USD. And 5th day of each month it will be renewal. Let's see. So here it created the membership. Let's see. We'll go to the AccessKit and membership. Here you can see yearly membership, $200 per year, $28 for 30 days trial. And let's see its renewal date. Here you can see 5th day of every month it will be renewed. So you can see, and you can do everything, each and everything you can do just by asking the AI chat assistant, and he will do on your behalf. He know everything, all these informations, registration information and everything he already know. You don't need to any developer. You will just go to AI assistant, tell him what you want, and he will do that on your